dear students of Primary 3. In this video, we are going to discuss together story problems on division, and then we are going to make so many exercises on the multiplication and division. Let's enjoy this part together.
Okay, let's read the first example together. Tina has 186 different flavors of ice cream. She put them into 3 equal groups. How many flavors will be in each group? As we know, we have to read the story problem very well and try to understand it, okay? So here we knew that Tina has 186 different flavors of ice cream and she divided them into 3 equal groups. Okay, he didn't say here divided, but I understood here that she divided them. Okay, let's move on. How many flavors will be in each group? Can you see each here? Each here is placed but in a question, not in a sentence like multiplication. Here the word each is placed but in a question. It's required here. So the key word here is that each is required. And when each is required, we are going to make division. So we will say 186 divided by 3. We will start from the digit on the left. It's 1. 1 divided by 3 can't be. So we are going to take these two digits together and it's 18. 18 divided by 3 equal 6. And then 6 divided by 3 equal 2, so we got 62 flavors. Let's move to the next one. We have what? Fadi bought a car for 57,750 pounds. He paid 27,750 pounds in cash, and the rest was divided into 5 installments. Find the value of each installment. We have here divided. So the first keyword here will be divided. Okay, and we have also each, and each here in the question. So each here is required. So we are going to make divided by. But before we are going to make division, we have here the word rest. And when we see the word rest, we have to make subtraction. So we are going to subtract the whole number minus the number cash. So we will say 57,750 minus 27,750 to get the rest of the money that he didn't pay yet. So we got 30,000. Okay, now this amount of money, which is 30,000, is the money that he is going to divide it, okay, into 5 installments. So we are going here to divide 30,000 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 can't be, so we are going to make 30 divided by 5 equals 6, and then 0 divided by 5, 0, 0 divided by 5, 0, and 0 divided by 5 is 0. So we got 6,000 pounds. Okay, let's take another one. Sammy distributed 690 pounds equally among 3 children. What is the share of each one? Here we have two keywords. The first one is distributed, and the second one that have each here also in a question. So each here is required, so we are going to make division again. So we will say 690 divided by 3. Starting from the left, 6 divided by 3 equal 2, 9 divided by 3 equal 3, and 0 divided by 3 equal 0. So we got 230. 230 is the share of each one. So when we have each in the question, or each is required, when we have the word distributed, when we have the word divided, so all these cases we are going to make division. Let's see another kind of example here. We have got here so many operations in the same time. The first one, I have to start from the left here. What I have 426 divided by 6, and we want to put the equal here. So we got 426 divided by 6, and I have to put the quotient or the result here. Okay, let's make it 4 divided by 6 can be. So we are going to make 42 divided by 6 equal 7. And now the rest is 6. So 6 divided by 6 equal 1. So we got 71. So we are going to write 71 here. Is it easy? So we start from the first number here from the left. It's 426. And I go with the arrow here. So 426 divided by 6 equal what? We got 71. So we will write 71 and begin the next step. Now we have 71 and I will go with the arrow again. So 71 times what equal 355. 71 times what equal 355. When I have a missing number here in the middle and I have multiplication, I have to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So I will say 355 divided by 71. And when we have more than one digit, we are going to take only the biggest digit here. The biggest digit here is 300 and here 7. Okay, we will start 3 divided by 7. Can I make 3 divided by 7? No, so I'm going to take the two digits together. It will be 35. 35 divided by 7 equal 5. So the answer is 5. So we are going to put 5 here in its place. Okay, next one. I have what? I have 355, and when I go with the arrow, I have plus 45. So I'm going to add 355 plus 45, and I will write the answer in the next box. So I have 355 plus 45, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, and carry up 1, 0, and carry up 1, so we got 400. So we got 400. So I'm going to write 400 here. Okay, now the last one. I have 400 divided by what? Equal 100. I will write it. 400 divided by what? Equal 100. I have division. I have a missing number in the middle. So I'm going to divide 400 by 100. This is a 3-digit number, so I'm going to take only the biggest one here, which is 1, because 1 here is 100, and here I will take 4. Now 4 divided by 1 equal 4, so we got what? We got 4. So the missing number here is 4, and that's it. Is it easy? Okay, let's take another kind of exercise, which is how many 9s are there in 72,027? When he said how many 9s in a number, we are going to make division. Okay, so here we will divide 72,027 divided by 9, and we will start from the left. 7 divided by 9 can be, so we will take 72. 72 divided by 9 equal 8. Now 0 divided by 9 equals 0. 2 divided by 9 can be, so we have to put 0 first, and then take 27. So 27 divided by 9 equals 3, so we got 8,003, and that's it. Okay, let's take a break and then go back to a general revision on Unit 1. Let's go together. Ready? Steady, go.
Time for a shake break! Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. Shake, shake, everybody shake now. Jump, 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 jump off the ground now. Shake, shake, everybody shake now. Jump, 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 jump off the ground and turn around. Shake, shake, jump, jump, jump. Shake, shake, jump, jump, jump. Shake, shake, shake. Jump, jump, jump. Shake, 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 shake. Jump, 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 jump. Turn around.
Let's start with the first question. Choose the correct answer. Here we have first exercise 455 divided by 5 and in one side, and the other side we have 23 times 7, and we want to know which side is greater. Okay, now let's take the First side 455 divided by 5. We are going to divide here. 4 divided by 5 can't be, so we are going to take 45, and 45 divided by 5 equal 9. Now 5 divided by 5 equal 1, so we got 91. The other side we have multiplication, so we have to start from the units. 7 times 3 equal 21. I will write 1 and carry up 2. Now 7 times 2 equal to 14, and 14 plus 2 equals 16, so we got 161. So 91 is smaller than 161, so we are going to put a circle around smaller than. Next exercise, we have 8 times 8 between brackets divided by 8. We have to start from the brackets first. 8 times 8 equal 64. So now we have 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8 equal 8. So we are going to put a circle around the 8. Okay. Next one, I have divided by also. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Now 0 divided by 4 equals 0, and 8 divided by 4 equal 2. So we got 102. Put a circle around it. Next one, I have 27 plus 72 divided by 3. We will start from the brackets. 27 plus 72 equal 99. 7 plus 2, 9, and 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, we will write 99 here. No, we still have divided by 3. So 99 divided by 3 equal 9 divided by 3 equal 3. And 9 divided by 3 is 3 too. So we got 33. Put a circle around 33. Guess one. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. And 2 divided by 2 equal 1. And 6 divided by 2 equal 3. So we got 213. Put a circle around it. The last one, 505 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. And 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Here we started from the left. 5 divided by 5, 1. 0 divided by 5, 0. 5 divided by 5 for 1, and we start to write the answer also from the left. So we are going to put a circle around 101. Next one. We have all divisions here. 640 divided by 8. 6 divided by 8 can't be, so we are going to make 64. 64 divided by 8 equal 8. And 0 divided by 8 equals 0, so we got 80. Put a circle around it. Okay, next one is so easy. It's 6 times table. 54 divided by what equals 6. That means 6 times what equals 54. It's 9. Excellent. Next one, I have one side 488 divided by 4, and the other side 122. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 8 divided by 4 equal 2, and 8 divided by 4 equal 2 also. So we got 122, 122. So we are going to put equal. Next one, just like the one on the previous page, 505 divided by 5, but here we have 808 divided by 8. Starting from the left, 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 0 divided by 8 equal 0, and 8 divided by 8 equal 1, so we got 101. Next one, 2406 divided by 6. 2 divided by 6 can't be, so we will say 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Excellent. And 0 divided by 6 equal 0, and 6 divided by 6 equal 1, so we got 401 and put a circle around it. The last one, I have to compare between these two sides. 2804 divided by 2. Starting from the left, 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 0 divided by 2, 0, and 4 divided by 2, 2. So we got 1402. The other side, 3906. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 0 divided by 3, 0, and 6 divided by 3, 2. So we got 1302, and 1402 is greater than 1302. Next one. 8448 divided by 4. Again, starting from the left. 8 divided by 4 equal 2. And 4 divided by 4, 1. 4 divided by 4, 1, and 8 divided by 4, 2, so we got 2112, put a circle around it, or underline it. 217 divided by 7, starting from 7? No, we will starting from the left. 2 divided by 7 can't be, so we are going to take 21. 21 divided by 7 equal 3. And 7 divided by 7 equal 1, so we got 31. Put a circle around 31. The next one, I have a missing number and I have division, and mommy here is missing, so I'm going to multiply these two numbers together. So we got 10 times 32, or 32 times 10, they are the same. So we are going to put the 0, and 1 times 32 is 32, so we got 320, put a circle around 320. Next one, 9 tens divided by 9, and we know that tens has 1 0, so it will be 90. 90 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 equal 1, and 0 divided by 9 equal 0, so we got 10, put a circle around it. 804 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, 2. 0 divided by 4, 0, and 4 divided by 4, 1, so we got 201. Next one, 9300 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1, and 0 divided by 3, 0. 0 divided by 3, 0, so we got 3100, and we will put a circle around it. Next one, the odd number just before 21. Before 21 I have what? I have 20. Is 20 an even number or odd number? It's even number. Why? Because it has a 0 in the units place. So we are going to take the number before 20, which is 19. This is the odd number before 21. Next one, I have 4444 divided by what equal 1111. When the number in the middle is missing, we are going to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. But we have here a number that is more than one digit, so we will take only the highest place value, which here is 4 and here is 1. 4 divided by 1 equal 4, so the answer is 4. Put a circle around 4. Next one, the number. What is an even number? He gave me three numbers and I want to know which one of them is an even number. We will look to which place, to the units place. The first number here I have 5, here I have 2, and here I have 7 in the units place. So which one of them is the even number? 732. Excellent. Two even numbers, their sum is 60. Which are these two numbers? I will look to the combination of numbers that I have here, 29 and 31. Are they even numbers? No, they are not even numbers. They are odd numbers. Let's move to the next combination. I have 28 and 32. Are they even number? Yes. Okay, let's add them together and see what are their sum. 8 plus 2 equal 10, 0, and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 3, 60. So their sum is 60. So these are the two numbers that I want here. Okay, next one, 624 divided by 2. Again, I will start from the left. 6 divided by 2, 3. 2 divided by 2, 1. And 4 divided by 2, 2. So we got 312. Okay, now let's move to another example which is complete. 560 tens equal what? I know that tens we have only one zero. So I will put the number 560 and put that zero with it. So we got 5600. Next one, I have 4 times 250 equal what times 500? I have two sides, one side with a missing number and the other side with no missing number. I will start with the side that has no missing number, which is 4 times 250. I will cross this zero and bring it down. Now I have 4 times 25. Let's make it 4 times 5 equal 20. I will put 0 and carry up 2. Now 4 times 2 equal 8 and 8 plus 2 equal 10. So we got 100. So I will put 100 here. So we got 1000. Now I have two sides and equal. I will cross zeros together. These two zeros with that two zeros. So we got here 10 and here 5. Now 10 equal what times 5? 2. Excellent. 2 is the right answer. Next one, I have 3.5 kilometer equal how many meter? 3.5 kilometer equal how many meter? Now I have to convert the kilometer into meter. And when I am converting from kilometer to meter, I'm going to multiply by 1000. So 3 times 1000 will be 3000. And we know that half kilometer equal 500 meters. So we go 3000 plus 500 equal 3500 meters. Next one is the same, but here we have meter and centimeter. Here I have 6 meter and 45 centimeter equal how many centimeter? 6 meter is 600 centimeter and 45 centimeter will still the same. So 600 plus 45 will be 645 centimeter. Next one again two sides. This side first because it has no missing number, 999 divided by 111. This number is more than one digit, so I'm going to choose only the biggest digit here. 9 divided by 1 equal 9. Now 9 equal 1 plus what? 1 plus 8. So the missing number here is 8. Again we have two sides. 20 times 5 times 35. I will put down that 0 first and cross it. Now I have 2 times 5 equal 10. And 10 times 36 equal 360. I will put it here beside the 0. So we got 3600. 3600 equal 100 times what? I will cancel zeros together, so the left will be 36. Okay, next one. 7 times 10 equal how many tens plus 5 tens? I know that 7 times 10 is 70 and I know that 5 tens is 50. So I will say 70 equal what plus 50? It's 20. Excellent. So 20 is how much tens? It's 2 tens. Excellent. Next one, 800 plus what equal 876? 800 is already written here. So what's left? 76. So I'm going to write 76 here. Okay, here I have to put greater than, smaller than, or equal. I have here 432 and here 432, so I'm going to cancel them together. Now the left is here 8 and here 5, so I'm comparing only between 8 and 5, so 8 is greater than 5. Okay, the other one here, 505 times 5, and here 505 divided by 5. The numbers are all the same. So the left here is times, and here is divided by. Which is greater, times or division? Times is greater than division. Excellent. Now I have 12 divided by 4 plus 17. And the other side 10 times 2, which is greater? I will start here with the brackets. 12 divided by 4 equal 3 and 3 plus 17 equal 20. The other side 10 times 2 equal 20, so they are the same. I have to put here equal. Here 21,000 gram equal how many kilogram? When we are converting from gram to kilogram, we are going to remove the 3 zeros. So the answer will be 21 kilogram. Next one. 3 kilograms plus 15 grams equal how many grams? We are here converting from kilograms to grams. So we are going to multiply by 1000. 3 times 1000 will be 3000. And 15 gram will be the same because it's a gram. I will not convert it to any units. So we have 3000 plus 15. Next one, the even number before 44, and we said that before 44 we have 43, but 43 is not an even number, it's an odd number. So we are going to make the number that is before 43, which is 42, and it's an even number. The sum of an odd number and an even number is what number? And here we have to say even or odd. We took in the previous revision that odd equal even, even equal even. Now we have a new one which is odd and even. And we are going to say that odd and even equal odd. Let's take an example. If I have an odd number like 3 and an even number like 4 and I add them, 3 plus 4 equal 7, and 7 is an odd number. So even plus odd or odd plus even equal odd. Don't forget that. So we are going to write here odd. Next one is very important. 5,350 meter equal how many kilometer and how many meter? Here the 1000 digit is the kilometer, which is 5. Why? Because the kilometer has 1000 meter. So the digit in the thousand place is the kilometer, and the rest of the digits are the meter. So we have 5 kilometer and 350 meter. Next one, complete in the same pattern, 5, 35, 245. Here is a big difference between each two numbers, so we are not going to subtract. We are going to think 5 times what equal 35 times 7. Excellent. So here 245 times 7. We got 1715. Again, we will multiply by 7. 1715 times 7 equal 12,005. The last one here, find 456 times 7. When we see find, we are just going to get the result of the operation here. So we are going to say 456 times 7 equal what? Let's make a multiplication. 6 times 7 equal 42. We will write 2 and carry up 4. Now 5 times 7 equal 35, and 35 plus 4 equal 39. We will write 9 and carry up 3. Now 4 times 7 equal 28, and 28 plus 3 equal 31, so we got 3192. That was our general revision on Unit 1.